Welcome to the next installment of the November Inspiration 12 of 12 Challenge videos. Here's the picture. This was, like I said, I don't know which group this came from, but Julianne Crandall, a snapshot I did. This is one of the ideas. So there's my inspiration for that. The scrap I had left over, just a little pocket might be added to one of them. But so from that inspiration, I've got this little one. See the pocket there? And it's made to fit on the edge of a page. That one, a little bit different. I'll show you the process. That one. Like I said, I use book pages and stuff that I normally wouldn't use to start my first mock-ups. This one is to go on the other side, and that would be a different to change which side, depending on which pocket. Using some of my painty papers. That pocket's a little bit shorter. This was the first one I did from this, more of an actual, use the full size. And so, went from there to, I said, okay, so let's cut up some scrapbooking paper. Now, my process, this is a very simple one, really. Just take a sheet, a large rectangle, and then a smaller rectangle for the pocket. And you can, like I said, this one was full size. And it went all the way down to something teeny. So when I switched over from using my book pages and my painting papers on the sides, I decided to use some scrapbooking paper, and I just went through and picked out some that I had that coordinated, that I'd gotten from somewhere. And so these are just two 12 of 12 sheets, and I basically used all of them. And it's as simple as that. This one, I guess I ought to, it don't matter. Start with your rectangle. I went ahead and put my little thumb hole, and I did ink. I know you all are probably shocked that you're seeing me ink. And I haven't used this a couple days. Get it started again. But that's how simple it is. Two rectangles and go through. You can round the corners if you like to round the corners. Leave them any which way that you want, but it's as simple as that. And then that will be hooking, that will hook straight onto a page. So then I did this one to coordinate using opposite so it could go on pages, or what opposite size pages. And so I'm just going to sit here and put these few together that I have prepped. But they can be any size depending upon your journal. You don't want to do thumb holes? Don't do thumb holes. Looks like I didn't cut that exactly, but that's not a problem. Trim it off. I sort of like the coordinating with the different. Those are the more squarish, I guess. These were more the taller rectangles pieces. Similar, but not as wide. Thinner journals. A little larger pockets. Now, if you had bulkier things that you were going to put in these pockets, I would hinge the sides. Or do the paper where it would wrap around and then hook on the back, and that makes it a wider pocket. And you end up with pockets that would hold more girth. I like to keep my elements thin. I don't like bulky elements on my embellishments on my elements. And there we go. So it's idea number 2, inspiration this much. Just a simple picture. To go. And end up creating that from a picture. And there you go. I'll catch you all later.